Hello and welcome to English Sandwich. We are a channel dedicated to helping people learn and study English. This video is about how to use prepositions to talk about a place. We will focus on the three most common prepositions in this video: in, on, and at. If you want to learn how to use these prepositions to talk about time, check out our video about prepositions of time. As a reminder, a preposition is a word that tells us the relationship between a noun and another word or phrase. Prepositions can help answer what time, when, how long, or where. Today, we'll be focusing on prepositions that answer the question, where? In English, prepositions of place can sometimes be difficult because they're often idiomatic. This means that the choice of preposition isn't always logical. However, there's an easy way to help us determine which word to use. It's helpful to imagine the prepositions describing a point, a surface, or a 3D space. Here's what I mean. At describes a singular point or one location. We can imagine on describing a location on a 2D surface. And in is an enclosed space, such as inside a box. With that in mind, let's see some examples. To talk about a point, use at. I was at the store with my friends. I'm at home now. It's at the bottom. To talk about location on a surface, use on. They grow vegetables on the farm. The dog is on the sofa. Have you been on the internet today? Did you see what he posted on Twitter? Did you ever ride on an airplane? Let's go on the boat to the island. Note that some vehicles use the preposition on and others use in. We use on to say on a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a boat, on a bicycle, on a motorcycle, on a scooter. Most other vehicles use in because you are in the space. Let's look at how to use in to talk about place. Did you leave your wallet in the car? What do you keep in the drawer? I looked for the word on the page in my book. The flowers are all in a row. I read about it in the newspaper. Now let's see some examples that use multiple different prepositions together. For example, when we talk about an address, we use at the address, on the street, in the neighborhood, in the city, in the country, in the continent, and so on. The White House is located at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, in Foggy Bottom, in Washington, D.C., in the United States of America, in North America, on the Earth, in the solar system, in the Milky Way galaxy, in the universe. These are some common examples of how to use in, on, and at to talk about place. If you're unsure which one to use, consider this question. Is it at a point, on a surface, or in a container? When you listen to English content, pay attention to what prepositions people use to describe location. You will soon learn the patterns and choose the correct prepositions quickly. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you liked this video, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions. For more English learning content, be sure to join our live streams on Twitch at twitch.tv/English_sandwich, where we stream live English lessons and fun content to help you learn and practice English. Twitch subscribers also have access to a worksheet with grammar practice each week. Thanks for watching!